Create amazing meals for the whole family with this Beko electric cooker with an induction hob. It's packed with incredible features to help you achieve effortless results. Both ovens have an A rating for energy efficiency. The main electric fan oven has a large 69-litre capacity, whereas the second oven has a medium-sized 36-litre capacity. There are 4 zones on the induction hob, ranging from 2 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. The hob has intelligent induction technology, which is a safer, more energy-efficient way to cook. Special electromagnets inside the hob heat up when they sense an induction-friendly pan or griddle on top. Instead of heating the entire cooking zone, induction technology simply heats what's inside your pan. This method makes it really fast, efficient, and, because it only leaves a little residual heat behind, it's safe too. The electric fan oven provides a fast, effective, and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavours. Now you'll be able to prepare a variety of dishes at the same time, while your food will always have the perfect finish. If you want an electric cooker with an induction hob that has incredible features to help you achieve amazing results, this model from Beko is an excellent choice.